Find or read reviews that people are talking about FASATO 9005 HB3 LED Headlight Bulbs. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose FASATO 9005 HB3 LED Headlight Bulbs. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Clearer visibility and improves safety. FASATO 9005 LED Headlight 600% superior illumination, adopted 12 PCS, 3570 Japanese CSP LED chips with 12,000 lumens per pair, 6500K cool white. The super brightness provides a longer and farther clear vision for your night driving, protects the safety of you and your family to an best extent. Continuous and stable lighting and focused beam pattern, effectively and timely discover the obstacles ahead. 1:1 restoration beam pattern. FASATO 9005 HB3 bulbs feature a 1:1 beam pattern of halogen bulbs. FASATO 9005 LED headlamp offer ultra-focused beam pattern, use 0.039-inch ultra-thin copper get the best light shape. No dark spots or shadow areas, no blinding for oncoming drivers, provides 360-degree illumination, provides longer and wider field of view. Efficient heat dissipation, increased by 300%. FASATO 9005 headlight bulb over 50,000 plus hours lifespan, the entire aviation aluminum body, scientific hollow carving radiator design, a built-in 12,000 RPM high-speed cooling fan. Copper tube and copper substrate conduct heat rapidly, powerful cooling capacity and with a high-performance chipset design, it perfect balance of performance and longevity. Easily deal with extreme harsh environments and drive safely. 5-minute quick worry-free installation. FASATO 9005 LED headlight plug and play, without external driver or connector, 1:1 same as halogen 9005 HB3 LED headlight bulbs. Easy to replace the 9005 headlight bulbs for high and low beams, non-polarity socket, takes up less enclosure space. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.